Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to see how to install the Pro Audio in Arch or EndeavourOS. So the method that we are going to follow in EndeavourOS will work for Arch also. And basically it is a Arch based system to install the Pro Audio in the system using the terminals. And since EndeavourOS is based on Arch, it also works in EndeavourOS. So first of all, what is Pro Audio? So Pro Audio is a collection of packages which enable the user to do professional level of recording and audio recording and video recording also. So it contains many professional level utilities, application packages that allow the user to turn his laptop or desktop into a digital workstation where he can do the professional level audio recording, video recording, editing, everything is possible. So for that, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to download the script. So the script for installing the Pro Audio has to be downloaded, and that script has to be saved in some folder. For example, I have saved this script in the documents folder of my home folder. So you have to open a terminal in the documents folder, then you have to change mode into that shell script. So that file to install the Pro Audio automatically is a shell script, so you have to execute the shell script. For that you have to change mode it. So you have to pass the command change mode plus x space install dash audio dash sh. So you can see it here, I made a mistake. So there has to be a space between the change mode plus x. So earlier it was sticking together, so I put a space in between, and it started the installation of this install.audio sh. So it will start updating your system. You can see it here. It will download some dependency packages, and then it will install. You can see it here. It will install the Pipewire, ALSA, Pipewire Jack, Pipewire Pulse, ALSA utilities, and these are the packages for the Pro Audio. So you can see it here: rubber band, lib library for WebSockets, libLO, libev, GTKMM, Obio, Helvium. Ardour is the digital audio workstation. Helvium is another audio application package. Pipewire you already know, it is the sound server. So after the installation is complete, you can see here the installation will get completed. Then the grub will be modified. You can see it here. New grub will be new init RAM address will be generated and written into the grub settings. So the grub boot configuration will be updated. And since I am using the ButterFS file system, the system backup before the installation of the Pro Audio script and after the installation of Pro Audio script also will be done. And you can see here the priorities have to be written. So those priorities for the user audio session should be 90, kept at 90, and the audio should have memory lock kept to unlimited. So whatever the memory it wants to use, the audio package that is running, the audio application that is running, for example, if the Ardour is running, then Ardour should be able to use all the memory it wants. So there should be no memory limitation. So for that you have to pass on the configuration to the audio.configuration. So right now no such configuration file is there. So for that I will just show you how to do it. So Up to this, I think you have well understood. And where you have to download this Pro Audio script, so you have to go to the GitHub page of Brendan Ingram. So Brendan Ingram is a developer. He has a GitHub page, and on the GitHub page you will find the Pro Audio script to install the Pro Audio tools, applications, and the Pro Audio settings for different Linux distributions like Manjaro, Debian, Arch is there, Endeavour is there. So you can do it. So I think Ubuntu is also there. So all the major Linux distributions are covered. So there is a separate script for each of the major Linux distribution. You can download the script according to the distribution that is installed on your system, and you can install the Pro Audio settings, applications, and tools, and then you can enjoy your professional sessions on your system. So that I am going to leave a link of the GitHub page of Brendan Ingram. You can download the script. It will be a zip file. It will download all the different shell scripts for each of the Linux distribution, major Linux distribution, and you can use the script that fits your system. So I will leave a link. You can download it from there. Now in the next step, I will show you how to do the settings for this. What is this? This is security limits. So you have to set the security limits. So the audio configuration file is not there. So there is a workaround. I will just show you in the next step. So to do the change in the limits.d file, you have to open the security folder in your system folder. So you have to go to the other locations, then click on the system location, that is the EndeavourOS in my case, then open the etc folder. So etc folder is nothing but a collection of folders with the different configurations written for different things. Like audio, there will be configuration. For network, there will be another configuration file. So for each feature of your system, there will be a configuration file. For the Bluetooth, there will be another configuration file. For Wi-Fi, there will be another configuration file. So like that, all the configurations are stored. For the DNS, there will be another configuration file. So all those configuration files will be saved in the etc folder, and in etc folder you have to search for security folder. Open the security folder, then you have to go to the limits.configuration file. After doing opening the limits.configuration file, you can see it here. This you have to copy it from here, from the either you can copy it directly from the Pro Audio installation script, or you can copy it from the output of the Pro Audio installation script that you have just read. So I just copied this, both this and this, two of them, and then at the end of the limits.configuration file, I have copied it, pasted it here, and then you have to just save the file. So you can open it in the text editor, paste it here, save it, reboot your system. This settings, that is the limits for the audio, the priority of the audio. So the memory limit will be unlimited and the priority for audio will be 90. So 99 is the highest priority. So this is 90. So it is quite close to the highest priority. So the effect of this is that the audio will get a higher priority over other computer or the processor task, and your audio quality will be better. It will have all the resources. Otherwise, what happens is there can be some breaks in the audio, or there can be some, you can see clicks in the audio. So those clicks will disappear because audio always gets all the memory it wants. So all audio applications, video applications will run very smoothly. So with this, I will stop the video here, and you can check out the link to the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio scripts. You can download the script as I told you and install it on your system and enjoy the digital workstations and audio and video processing on your system. Bye bye.